What's up, guys? Welcome to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Greg. I wanted to run you guys through something real quick. A lot of people don't know this, but you can still take advantage of the referral code structure if you've never used it. It's basically Uber's retroactive sign-up code. So I just wanted to run you guys through these instructions real quick if this is something you haven't done yet. One thing to always keep in mind with these is a lot of times these are guarantees, not bonuses. And so a lot of people, they get all bent out of shape over the what they end up getting for their guarantee, because I know Lyft, for instance, was really big on, like, they always did guarantees, even with their bonuses that were really just, do 10 rides and that's how much money you should make. But just in case you don't, we got you. So yes, keep in mind this is for this should be for a guarantee. But if you've never used one, there's no reason to not do this, because it literally could just be cash in your pocket from the get-go. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps real quick of how you can do this, and it's real simple. I mean, it literally takes under 5 minutes, and yeah, like I said, it could be something that comes in right away for you. All right. So I do hope that was clear, the difference on the bonus versus guarantee thing. So, but I know this has worked for a lot of people, so definitely try this out if you haven't done it before. All right, so basically go into your Uber app, open your driver app, and then click on your photo or the 3 lines at the top of the video. It depends on how updated your app is. Then click earnings, click help or question mark, then click account and payment, then referrals. And then this is really important because this step's probably the easiest one to mess up. So this is the one you got to make sure you get right. Click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. And then lastly, click send a message. And then for the invite code, use G4QA5UE. That's G4QA5UE. Friend's name, yours truly, Gregory Wave. And then for the phone number, just put 815-847-0184. And then for the email, it's gregwave@yahoo.com. That's GREGWAVE @yahoo.com. Awesome. And then lastly, guys, then just for the details, you can put something like, my good friend Gregory invited me to drive for Uber, or referred me to drive for Uber. You could say Greg Wave, the realest on the planet. He hooked me up. Whatever feels natural, you know. Alrighty, guys. Well, make sure you check that out if you haven't done that before, and stay tuned. We got a lot more content coming for you guys. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.